Dear learners, in this program we will learn the switch statement in the C programming. So here already I have written the codes, the whole program, entire program is written. Then we will define one by one the statements. So switch statement is used if we have the multiple options. We want to execute one of the statements among the multiple statements, multiple options. Then we can use the switch statement instead of if statement. If also can be used to choose from different options, more than one options, but switch statement is also used to choose from more than one options. So here again we'll start with this hash include standard input output header file. This is a library file. Again hash include console input output header file. Then main. After this main we will write the main program starting with a curly bracket, and we'll end the program with another curly bracket, close curly bracket. Now first we'll define three variables, identifier A, B, C as float, means the real numbers. Say A, B, C are three real numbers. First let us see the options what we are going to do with in this program. So we can choose any of the options from these four, where the first option is addition, second option is subtraction, third option is multiplication, and fourth option is division. So if we want addition of two numbers, we can choose the first option. If we want the subtraction from the second number from the first number, then we can use the second option, that is subtraction. If we want the multiplication of these two numbers, then multiplication option we can choose. And if we want to choose the division, we have to perform the division by the second number, then we can use choose the first option, that is division. Now here what A, B, C will do: A is the first number, B is the second number, and C we can store the value of whatever operation we perform with these four options. Say if addition is our option, then we'll store the value of the addition of A and B into C, and if the option is subtraction, then the subtraction of B from A will be stored in C. If multiplication is the option, then A multiplied by B will be stored in C. If division is the option, then A divided by B will be stored in C. Therefore we three identifiers are defined as float, that is the real numbers. Now int ch, integer ch, for choosing the options addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, we can use an integer value. Say for 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, and 4 for division. So to store the values, assign the values 1, 2, 3, 4, we choose another integer variable which is ch. Then the output statement printf enter the two numbers. So this will ask the user to enter two numbers from the keyboard. Then scanf, the input function, %f, that means the A and B, we have already defined these two numbers as float number, that is real number. That's why we are writing %f, then $ab. So it will input the value of A and B from the keyboard, and the user will give the value. Now the option from the four options 1, 2, 3, 4, if whatever option we want to choose, we can use by pressing the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, but the user should know what does it mean. For addition, what should the user will press? For subtraction, what number should the user press? Then printf, we are writing 1 for addition, that means if we press 1, then addition operation will be performed. Now you can see this /n we are writing at the end of the statements. That means after writing this statement, it will go to the next line. It is like pressing the enter. Then printf 2 for subtraction, printf 3 for multiplication, printf 4 for division. So every time we are writing the /n, that means after displaying this statement, it will go to the next statement. If we press this /n, that means like pressing the enter. Now again the user will be asked, enter the choice, whatever operation the user wants to do. According to that, and user will press the number. Then after pressing the number, scan a %d ch. That means in ch it is an integer, either 1, 2, 3 or 4 we can press to perform those operations. Since ch is an integer value, that's what we are writing %d. Now for switch statement, this is the format. Switch within bracket ch, it will define the different options. So switch, it is the statement, and ch the integer value we have already defined before. Now after switch, this curly bracket will start, because within this curly bracket, starting bracket and end bracket, we will write down the switch different options for switch statement. Now say case number 1, that means that 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever is pressed by the user, accordingly the statements will be executed. So if case 1 means if 1 is pressed, then the addition operation will be performed. That means in C, the addition of A and B will be stored, C equal to A plus B. Then it will print the value printf addition equal to %.2 f. That means here we are writing without specifying the number of spaces, that how many digits, how many places will be stored or defined to display the value. .f means only 2 decimal places is defined. That means 2 decimal places it will take, and whatever value in the integer part, that will be displayed. We did not specify any number of spaces to display the digits. So addition %.2 f is C. C means the addition of A plus B will be displayed here. Then this case switch statement will be end by break statement. So this is the format, starting with switch, then curly bracket, then case 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again after writing the executable statement, which is C equal to A plus B, and print the value of this, we should write break, and after break this semicolon. Now say we want to perform the operation subtraction, then the cs value will be 2, case 2. So in case 2 we will perform the subtraction operation B from A. So in C it will be stored C equal to A minus B. Then again the value of C will be displayed, printf subtraction equal to %.2 f C. The C is now the subtraction of A and B. Then break again. Again break we should write, so that the statements ends here perform. Then again say we want to perform the multiplication operation, then case 3. So if we press 3, then C equal to A into B. That means in C the A multiplication of A and B will be stored. Then again the output statement, printf multiplication equal to %.2 f, and the multiplication value will be stored. Then again like before, it will stop by the break statement, break semicolon. Again the case 4 is our 4, case 4 is our division, that means C equal to A divided by B. So printf division, again same in the same manner, same format, %.2 f. So C, the division of A and B will be stored in C. Then again break. Now what is default? See, other than the number 1, 2, 3, 4, if you press anything like 5, 6, 7, 0, any number, then it will print your choice is wrong. That is the default statement. That means if we do not press either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, it will display the default statement, your choice is wrong. Now again for this default statement also we should end with a break statement, break, and the curly bracket ends here. This curly bracket is for the all the cases including the default statement. Now to get the value from the keyboard that get ch, then this curly bracket will end the program. So you can execute. First we compile. It is already compiled and stored in a folder. Then execute, run. Enter the two numbers. Suppose we have two numbers 89 and 32. Now we'll press it. So now if we want addition, we will press 1. If we want subtraction, we will press 2. If we want multiplication, we will press 3, and if we want division, we will press 4. Suppose we want the multiplication of these two numbers, so let us press 3 and enter. The multiplication of this 89 and 32 is coming out as 2848. So multiplication operation is performed because we have pressed the number 3. Another example, again we can do with this. So enter the two numbers, suppose 99 and 34. This time say we want to divide 99 by 34. So we have to press the number 4 and enter. So division is 2.91. In this way we can choose any of the 4 options: 1 addition, 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, and 4 division, for to perform whatever we want to do with this program. And suppose another last one we want to see. Suppose we are pressing say 88 and for 34 43, enter two numbers, and other than this 1 2 3 4 we are pressing any other numbers and 9 and enter. Now here it is saying that your choice is wrong because 9 is not among the numbers this addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We must press either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 to get our desired operation of these two numbers. So thank you for watching.